Welcome back to the Return to Freddy's. In this video, we're playing Night 2. Ooh. You know, recently, I don't know what setting I changed because I clearly changed some sort of setting, but um all of my videos that are like 10 minutes long have been like a gigabyte big, and I don't know what I changed, but oh, they're trying to prepare Foxy? This guy? Huh. Okay. Tries to run into the office. Alright. So not much going on that's different. Maybe Foxy will be active, but on the whole, should be... Ah! 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 Oh, shit! So, Foxy's like right outside my door, and I need to make sure that he doesn't run towards it. Oh, that's scary. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay. So that's what the light in the doors are for. The rest of them should be happy with the mask. It's just Foxy, I'm assuming. And then the puppet moved. Ah! That's still a really cool mechanic. Huh. Huh. Man, this is, Hi, puppet. Man. Okay. Let's look around on the cameras a bit. There's Bonnie there. I don't know where Chica is. That's fine. Maybe she's in my office. Close the door for Foxy. Oh, hi, Bonnie. Wait, what? My door was closed! Oh, shit! No, you can't keep the doors closed. They only close for like a set amount of time. Right. Yeah, that's why he managed to get me. Okay. Wait, there was something up there. I didn't manage to read it. Go away. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I need to be more careful than that. I can't just close the door and sort of keep it closed. I need to actually be careful. I gotta say, this is unique. I mean, I said so last time, but I'm quite impressed by how there's like unique mechanics and stuff. Hello, Chica. Okay. So we need to wait until we hear Foxy running. Maybe I don't even need to flash the light on him then. Because if I can always hear him coming, then maybe it's not that big of a deal. But it's also possible that I won't always be able to hear him. Hello? Hello? Yeah, so he's about to run. But I only have to close it when I actually see him run. Or hear him run, rather, because, you know, I might not see it. I might not have the light on. I mean, so far so good, right? I saw Bonnie on the cams last time. I don't know if that means that I need to stop him before he gets in my office. Because on the first night, he got into... puppet moved camera. Bro, what? Hopefully I'm good. Yes. Were there always... okay, he's on this camera. Oh, fuck. I hope that was fast enough. Please? Okay, I think I'm good. Hurry up. It's a much more intimate experience with Foxy, because he's like right outside my door. Okay, it's 4 a.m. So they don't pull down your camera like in FNAF 2. You actually have to react to the sound and put it down yourself. Which is... definitely gonna add to the stress factor. Because I also have to click to open the camera. I can't just flick my mouse down. Okay. You've moved again. Foxy's almost moving. Oh, and he's going to the other side this time. Come on. That's the first time we saw him go to that side. I wish I had hotkeys. Oh, I do. Wait. Oh. Ah! I thought maybe if I put the door down, she wouldn't come in, but... Is there a hotkey? So there are hotkeys. I wonder if there's a hotkey for the camera. Because if there's a hotkey for the camera and the mask, that would make this actually a lot easier. I hope so. Anyway, that's it for this episode of The Return to Freddy's. That was actually really interesting how we have now Foxy to worry about. The puppet's moving a lot more. It moved quite a few times that night, and it seems like it can go to any camera, which, you know, in FNAF 2, the phone guy says it can go anywhere. So maybe that's a thing. We still haven't seen Foxy or the like not no we have seen Foxy. We haven't seen Freddy move, and we also there's a animatronic in parts and service that we haven't seen move. So presumably in the next couple nights we'll see both of them starting to move. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.